Hi there. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most interesting yet challenging techniques in programming, web scraping. If you've tried scraping data from the internet, you've probably encountered a few issues. In this video, we'll go through the most common mistakes people make when scraping websites, and of course, I'll tell you how to avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Poor understanding of the page structure. The first mistake we'll mention is a poor understanding of the page structure. Every web page is built from HTML code, and if you don't understand how that code is organized, it can be very difficult to extract the data properly. Solution. Before scraping, familiarize yourself with basic HTML tags like div, span, and a. Understand how classes and IDs are used to structure the page. This knowledge will help you efficiently extract the data you need. Mistake 2. Improper handling of dynamic content. The second mistake we often see is improper handling of dynamic content. Many websites today use JavaScript to load content, so that means some parts of the page won't be available immediately, but will be loaded later when the browser actually executes JavaScript. Solution. Use tools like Selenium or Puppeteer that allow you to interact with JavaScript. These tools let you wait for the full content to load before you start scraping. Mistake 3. Forgetting rate limiting. The third mistake that frequently occurs is forgetting about rate limiting. If you send too many requests at once, the server might think you're a bot and block your IP address. Solution. Always set pauses between your requests, even small ones, to avoid being blocked. You can also use proxy servers to rotate your IP addresses, allowing you to continue scraping without running into problems. Mistake 4. Forgetting about the robots.txt file. The fourth mistake I want to mention is forgetting about the robots.txt file. This file is like a guide for web bots, telling them what they can and can't do on a particular site. For example, some sites may block scraping of certain pages. Solution. Always check the robots.txt file before scraping a website. This file outlines which parts of the website are allowed to be scraped and which are not. By respecting these rules, you avoid legal issues and keep your scraping ethical. Mistake 5. Not handling errors properly. Another common mistake is not handling errors properly. Scraping can often result in errors due to timeouts, missing elements, or changes in the page structure. Solution. Anticipate errors by using try-except blocks or similar error handling methods. Always check if elements exist before scraping them to ensure that your scraper doesn't crash when something goes wrong. Mistake 6. Ignoring data quality and validation. Ignoring data quality and validation is another mistake that can lead to poor results. After scraping, it's essential to clean and validate your data to ensure it's accurate and usable. Solution. Clean the data by removing duplicates, fixing inconsistencies, and handling missing values. Use libraries like Pandas and Python to validate and manipulate the data, ensuring it's in the right format for your analysis. Mistake 7. Scraping too much data at once. Lastly, scraping too much data at once is a common mistake. Pulling huge datasets all at once can overwhelm your system or get your IP address blocked. Solution. Break down your scraping tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. Scrape data over time rather than all at once to avoid server overload and to keep your scraping process efficient and safe. And that's it. These are some of the most common mistakes in web scraping and how to avoid them. By understanding the page structure, handling dynamic content, respecting rate limits, and ensuring that your data is clean and valid, you'll be able to create more efficient and ethical scraping processes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy scraping!